Okay, let's continue. I think I made a mistake. The exception should be inside the common. We need to move that. Refactor. Also need to move this out too. It should be, it's not exception, it's inside the common. The refactor. I made a mistake here. Refactor rename. I want it to be very clean. Data common exception module. Also we need to add new package. This to do not inside the common but inside the data. So yeah, we need to focus on this. Inside the common we need interceptor, because I want to create a custom interceptor. Just use this up and then create a Kotlin file class called notebook interceptor maybe. Yeah, basically this class is gonna handle the no internet connection, because we don't want to show the exception when there is no internet connection, because we are gonna use the data from the local database. So we need to add this constructor private for. It's gonna be, we need a context, I think. Just type context, because we need to use a connectivity manager inside here. And then interceptor. Need to clean this up. Need to add private function is connected. Here's the thing, it's very hard because connectivity manager is deprecated on some, not connectivity manager actually, but the function inside that connectivity manager is a context.get system service. Context.connectivity service. We need to cast this to a connectivity manager. Okay, after that we need to check the build version. The build version, I'm going to import that SDK is above or equal of version using version codes.m, and then we need to create connectivity manager, active network. It's going to be return false. Active network is going to be connectivity manager. What is this? Connectivity manager, active network. Missing permission, just alt enter and then add the permission network state. It will add the permission this automatically. Just get network capabilities of anyway. If no, we need just to return false of this method, and then we'll also return when arc anyway that has transport network capabilities dot transport Wi-Fi. It will return true. Okay, anyway, that has transport network capabilities, transport cellular. Also, we need to return this true. Else, I'm gonna return this false. Okay, looks okay. Need to add else. This is for the older version of Android. Connectivity manager, active network info. If there is no return false, return network info is connected. Don't worry about this because we are still using the old version of Android. So what is the error? Oh, this is the error. If is not connected, we need to throw our custom exception here. Oh, I'm sorry. What? It's very buggy. Trying the request dot new builder dot will return request. Oh, I'm sorry, trying to proceed. I'm doing upside down. So we need exception here. Should be not too long yet. No internet exception. It's gonna be extend of IO exception, I think. Use the OKIO. And then we're gonna override this. You are offline. Of this no internet exception. Okay, looks okay. I think it's okay for this part. We need to move to the next part.